Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I am going to explain Ta'ud. We know A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from shaitan the outcast. We know Allah is above the heavens, but He is close to us. He even knows what we think. Recite the above with firm belief in Allah's responding or request. Who is shaitan, our biggest and more dangerous enemy? He has his experience making people sleep from the time of Adam alayhi salam. He made even Adam alayhi salam sleep in Jannah. None of we can be smarter Adam alayhi salam. Adam alayhi Shaitan has told to Allah he will attack us from the right, the front, and the back. We cannot see Shaitan or hit him and convince him become good. The only solution, most powerful solution to recite A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. Shaitan disobeyed Allah and was thrown away Allah's mercy. This Rajim wants to follow him, become like him. He is there to take us to the hellfire. Therefore feel insecurity caused by attacks of Shaitan and ask Allah for protection the way desperate beggar asks for food. Each one of us has a shaitan with him, and he is a continuous attacking in our home, market, office, while or around with friends or with mobile. We are a state continuous war with him. Safety first, run to Allah for protection the way desperate beggar asks for food. Safety first, run to Allah for protection. Safety first. This Rajim wants to follow him, become like him. This is a habit successful person in this world.